Hello parents, welcome to the 2020-2021 LSN school year. I'm Shannon Underwood and I am going to be your student's math teacher. I'm going to take a couple moments just kind of to introduce myself and give you an idea of what to expect from me and my classroom and my class this school year. First off, I am a mom and a wife. I've got two little kids. I've got a kindergartner and a preschooler. So we're trying to navigate this school world too. Really, I am a traveler. I love my job, but I love to go out and explore too. I'm really into closing my apple rings and baking as well. You can see I need to do one so I can eat the other. As far as in the classroom, my teaching philosophy, my goal is to help students see things before I show them and say it before I tell them. I want them to develop their own learning. I want them to discover things. The more they figure out things on their own, the more likely that they're going to remember it than if I just give it to them. So my goal is to guide them and support them in that endeavor. I am hoping to develop mathematicians. Oftentimes people think they're not good at math because they're thinking about math only in terms of numbers, but it's more than that. It's patterns too. You can see here that you're a mathematician if you can find meaning in your work, if you're creative, if you don't always get the answer but you're persistent. All of these things are important to being a mathematician, and every one of your students has at least a few of these qualities, and my goal is to pull out more of them. The courses that I teach Algebra 1 and Geometry. You can see they're the basic topics for each of those courses. Specific to whichever one your child is enrolled in. If you're looking for something for my course, Schoology is the answer. Everything is going to be in Schoology. The syllabus, all the course content, the videos. There will be some pre-recorded YouTube videos embedded in the course, as well as videos coming from a site called CK12. And then we'll additionally have some lives through Google Meet if we're virtual. Hopefully, we're at least hybrid, but who knows, at which point I will deliver content obviously in person too. But you're going to see a lot of those videos likely throughout the school year, because if I'm only seeing your child a couple days a week, I really want to spend a lot of time being able to help them, and so more practice will happen in class than content delivery. Also in Schoology, there will be more practice. Some of it's Schoology formatted, some of it CK12, and some of it in the form of Quizlet. You'll also find opportunities for your child to explore and play with math through CK12 as well as Desmos. Let's see. Supply list, pencils, obviously 3 to 5 colored pens, 3 to 5 dry erase markers if we're in the classroom, a ruler, a pack of index cards if we're in the classroom, a large spiral notebook, 2 to 3 different colored highlighters, and I certainly recommend a calculator. Yes, they have calculators on their Chromebooks, but it's hard having to flip back and forth, so if you have one at home, that would certainly be helpful. And in the classroom, my goal is going to be to get them off their Chromebook, and so we would want a calculator in the classroom. Lastly, communication. My plan is to email parents at least every other week, ideally more, but we'll just kind of play it by ear here at the beginning until we get into a routine. Every time I send a full class email to the students, though, I'll copy you on it too, so you'll likely hear from me weekly, so that you know exactly what's going on, exactly what we're covering, what the expectation is at a given time. The best way to get a hold of me is certainly email. I do check it obviously within school hours, and then I try to check it once or twice in the evening for anything that's pertinent and I need to get back quickly. My planning period this year is in the morning. It's second hour, depending on obviously our schedule. That could mean I'm available every day or every other day if we go block. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'm looking forward to seeing your students and helping them become stronger mathematicians.